Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to delete your Google search history. Remember that this process can be done in a computer or a phone. First of all, we're going to click on our profile picture in the upper right part. And then you're going to click on manage your Google account. Delete your search history is good because you maintain your security and privacy. Also, give agility to your browser and keep your organization. It doesn't take that long, so you can do it often. Now, being here, we're going to click on Data and Privacy. Let's go down, and here we're going to find these history settings, where we're going to click on My Activity. This is going to take us to this new page where we're going to find all our history search. Now here, if you go down, you're going to find all the pages you have visited and all the search you have done. You can choose what you want to delete by yourself, or you can click on delete. And here you're going to find some different options like last hour, last day, always, or custom range. Using this last one, we're going to have these options from the day we want to start the deleting to the last day we want to do it. I'm going to choose here my dates and click next. We have to wait. Now it's going to tell us what we're going to delete. Click on delete and there you go. Your delete process is complete. Remember that doing this information cleaning is good for the performance of your browser. I hope you liked this video. See you in the next one. Bye!